Hello and welcome to the 14th video showing you how to restore a Triumph Herald or Vitesse. In this video I'll be having the running gear media blasted, then I will be painting and reassembling it. I will also be painting the chassis ready for assembly. After stripping down the running gear, I will heavily mask off the machine areas. You don't blast machine areas at all. Make sure that you blank off all the bearing housing. Don't get any blasting media inside them. After the blasting has been done, prime all parts with black etch primer and then black gloss. After painting, I then fitted all new bushes bearings and seals, new brake discs, new brake calipers and pads, along with stainless steel braided brake hoses. To the rear I fitted new bushes bearings and seals, new brake adjusters and pistons, new brake shoes, new Rotaflex couplings and UJs, and stainless steel braided brake hoses. All the front and rear suspension was reassembled with brand new UNF bright zinc plated nuts and bolts, and all treated with copper slip during assembly. I also fitted brand new road springs and shock absorber to the front. I'm not going to waste my time and yours showing how I did all this. It is shown very well with annotated pictures in the Vitesse workshop manual. Scott Best, however, has videos on his channel showing how to do most of this work. He also has an excellent video showing how to change the UJs, even one showing how to rebuild the steering rack. I'll put a link to his channel below. Be sure to check him out. I then turned my attention to the diff. There were no horrible noises or play, just a few oil leaks to attend to. All I needed to do was change the oil seals. Taking it apart was quite straightforward and easy to do. Before removing this nut, mark exactly where it is with some paint or centre pop marks. Then count the number of turns it takes to remove it. Afterwards, put it back exactly where it was in the first place. Getting off the old bearings to enable me to change the seals was virtually impossible. I ended up taking it to a friend's garage and using his press to remove them. After reassembly, all I needed to do was clean it with a rotary wire brush and paint it. I didn't have it blasted in case any blasting media got inside. I will put a link to another channel showing how to rebuild the diff. Ellen Yakov, who I'm sure you're all aware of, rebuilt a TR6 diff to which the procedure is practically the same as the GT6. As you've already seen the chassis being rebuilt, I'll show you a quick shot of it being repainted. In my next video, I'll be doing a lot more painting work, so I'll see you all then. I would like to thank you all for commenting and subscribing, and if you like, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see this Vitesse being fully restored with lots of detail from this to this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel.